Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best epoxy resin is probably one of the most versatile and exciting materials for crafters and DIY enthusiasts, allowing you to create stunning, durable, and crystal clear projects that truly stand out. Whether you're embedding objects, creating jewelry, or designing unique tabletops, the right epoxy resin can transform your artistic vision into a tangible reality, offering a professional finish that's both beautiful and long-lasting. Its ability to capture intricate details and provide a glossy, protective coating makes it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to elevate their craft game and produce professional quality results with ease and confidence. Number 5. Puduo Epoxy Resin Crystal Clear Art Kit, 16 ounces. This crystal clear epoxy resin is perfect for all your art projects. It provides long-lasting, beautiful results for wood finishes and many other applications. Using it is straightforward. Simply mix equal parts of the resin and hardener. You'll have 45 minutes of working time at room temperature to create your masterpiece. Our unique fast curing formula allows you to remove your casting from the mold in just 8 hours. It's fully cured within 24 hours, making your creative process efficient. It's amazing for all your art projects, including casting, jewelry, and more. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. This product works beautifully with all pigments, including mica, alcohol inks, epoxy paste, glitters, and glow-in-the-dark powders. To get you started right away, this kit comes with bonus tools. You'll find measuring cups, mixing sticks, and a pair of rubber gloves. What we like. This one is perfect for artists who need a reliable, crystal clear finish for their projects. It cures quickly, allowing you to finish your work faster. If you're looking for a kit that comes with everything you need to get started right away, this is a great choice. What people say. The resin cures as expected, no yellowing so far and curing time is as usual. Epoxies I've tried previous would leave dozens of bubbles, so this is a lot better and easier to use. It's my first time working with epoxy resin and this kit is great for beginners. It includes popsicle sticks, plastic measuring mixing cups, and the resin. Number 4. JANCHUN Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit 32 ounces. Introducing the JANCHUN Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Achieve a flawless, bubble-free finish with our easy-to-use formula. Everything you need is in the box. This complete starter kit includes resin, hardener, and all the essential accessories for your projects. Our advanced anti-UV formula ensures a crystal clear, glass-like finish that resists yellowing for up to 5 years. Your creations will stay vibrant and new. Experience the magic of self-leveling technology. It naturally evens out, eliminating bubbles and imperfections for a smooth, mirror-like surface. Get your projects done faster with our quick-curing resin. It's ready for demolding in just 8 hours and fully cured in 24 hours. Mixing is a breeze with our simple 1:1 ratio of resin to hardener. You'll have a generous 45-minute working time for detailed designs. We stand by the reliable quality of our product, backed by rigorous testing. Plus, our 24/7 customer support is always here to help you create with confidence. What we like. If you want your creations to stay vibrant and clear for years, this is the one to consider. Its anti-yellowing properties and self-leveling technology ensure a flawless, mirror-like finish. It's ideal for anyone who wants a professional look with minimal effort and long-lasting results. What people say. All the bubbles come out, it self-levels nicely and it's crystal clear. This stuff worked, and made my vision come to life. These dice, pressurized at 40 psi, came out completely and totally clear. Number 3. Craft Resin 34-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unlock your artistic potential with our premium clear epoxy resin kit. It allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. It's popular for various art projects, tabletops, molds, coasters, and jewelry making. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? Our advanced formula automatically releases air bubbles. For best results, use a recommended depth of 1/4 inch. Our epoxy is made with low-odor, non-toxic materials, free of VOCs and solvents. It's perfectly formulated for home and professional use, and is harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. It only takes 24 hours for our crystal epoxy resin to cure and become rock hard. It's scratch resistant and can withstand heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, leaving you with a crystal clear, glassy smooth finish that lasts for years. Our 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use, even for beginners. The kit includes everything you need to get started. Upgrade your art and elevate your creations to the next level. What we like. For those prioritizing safety and durability, this option stands out. It's certified food safe and UV resistant, making it perfect for kitchenware or items exposed to sunlight. If you are a beginner or a pro looking for a versatile, safe, and high-quality resin for various art and craft projects, this is an excellent selection. What people say. It mixes easily with the 1:1 ratio and pours smoothly without being too thick. I have good clarity after curing, and the pump bottles make measuring simple with the gallon containers I recently upgraded to. It cures fast. The instructions say 24 hours, but I pulled a second batch from the mold in 12 hours and it was done. You can also layer seamlessly, set one level of decoration or paint and then cure a second level beautifully. Cures crystal clear, feels really hard. Number 2. Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit 1.5 gallon. Discover the Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Kit, your ultimate solution for stunning casting projects. It's designed for impressive single-layer pours up to 2 inches deep, saving you time and effort. Experience a crystal clear, glass-like finish with our advanced formula. It minimizes bubbles and overheating, ensuring a smooth, durable result every time. Our upgraded formula features reduced viscosity for improved flow and easier mixing. It releases air faster and cures at a lower temperature, allowing for bigger and deeper casts. This epoxy resin is certified food safe, non-toxic, and free from VOCs. You can confidently use it for both home and professional projects, knowing it's safe for you and the environment. Achieve a rock-hard, scratch-resistant finish in just 48 hours. It's heat-resistant up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, guaranteeing a clear, glassy smooth surface that lasts for years without damage. Perfect for beginners and experts alike, our kit includes everything you need for your resin art. The simple 2:1 ratio makes it incredibly easy to use, elevating your creations. What we like. This is the resin you need for ambitious, large-scale projects like river tables. Its ability to handle deep pours up to 2 inches in a single layer minimizes the need for multiple applications. If you're planning a significant casting project and want a low exotherm, bubble-free result, this deep pour formula is your best bet. What people say. It mixes smoothly, levels beautifully, and cures crystal clear with zero cloudiness. The viscosity is perfect for river tables, large molds, and thick pours, no rushing, no panic, plenty of working time. Once cured, the finish is rock-hard, glossy, and professional-looking, with excellent color clarity when pigments are added. Number 1. Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit 51 ounces. Introducing the Craft Resin Deep Pour Epoxy Resin Kit, your solution for stunning, deep pours. This kit is designed for projects up to 2 inches thick, offering a crystal clear, bubble-free finish. Experience an upgraded formula designed for easier mixing and faster air release. Its reduced viscosity ensures a smoother flow and cooler cure, minimizing bubbles and heat buildup for larger pours. Achieve professional results with single-layer pours up to 2 inches deep. Our premium resin and hardener provide a glass-like finish with lasting clarity, saving you time and effort. This epoxy is minimally odorous, non-toxic, and free from VOCs, making it safe for home and professional use. It's certified food safe, ensuring environmental friendliness and peace of mind. Achieve a rock-hard, scratch-resistant finish in just 48 hours. It boasts heat resistance up to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, guaranteeing a durable, crystal clear, glassy smooth surface that lasts for years. Perfect for beginners, this kit includes everything you need for your resin art. The simple 2:1 ratio makes it easy to use, helping you elevate your creations to new heights. What we like. If you're working on large-scale art pieces or functional items that require significant depth, this is the ideal choice. It allows for pours up to 2 inches thick in one go, and its food-safe certification opens up possibilities for creative kitchenware. For those who need a substantial amount of resin for big projects and value safety, this product is highly recommended. What people say. It mixes smoothly, levels beautifully, and cures crystal clear with zero cloudiness. The viscosity is perfect for river tables, large molds, and thick pours, no rushing, no panic, plenty of working time. Once cured, the finish is rock-hard, glossy, and professional-looking, with excellent color clarity when pigments are added. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.